Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the SSD model and current firmware version, because the wrong package can brick a drive. Once done, back up critical data, a full image if possible, then download the vendor's firmware and flashing utility. Make sure the system is on AC power and temp is normal. Avoid laptops on battery. Connect the SSD to a primary port, verify it appears in the tool, and prepare to run the vendor utility as administrator, so the update can start cleanly. You'll now execute the update path the vendor specifies. Either run the Windows utility or boot the USB image. If using a bootable environment, write the USB, set BIOS to boot from it, and then start the flash tool. Select the exact firmware file and target SSD, confirm identifiers match. While the tool runs, watch the progress indicator, system temperatures, and logs. Do not power off, sleep, or unplug the drive. That interruption is the main cause of irreversible failures. You finish by verifying the firmware update took. Check the tool or OS for the new version, and run a smart health check. Reboot the machine twice to let the controller initialize, and then update your storage driver or management software if available. Restore any services you paused earlier and confirm full capacity and partition integrity. If the update fails or drive disappears, try the vendor's safe flash mode, use a different port or adapter, and contact support or RMA if recovery tools can't.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.